Netflix is looking to do more with interactive entertainment after the success it found with Bandersnatch. The company has approached several veteran game industry executives to help with its expansion into video games. It is considering a bundle game service similar to Apple's online subscription. The Stranger Things game wasn't exceptionally successful, but future games from Netflix might fare better with a gaming executive on board. After Air India, country's most popular pizza delivery chain Dominos India has witnessed a massive data leak. The details of around 180 million orders, including the customers' names, email IDs, mobile numbers and locations, have been made public. If you have ever ordered from Domino's online, your data might be leaked. The worst part of this alleged breach is that people are using this data to spy on people. Anybody can easily search any mobile number and can check a person's past locations with date and time. CarePlix Vitals is an app that will track your blood oxygen level with phone flashlight. It allows users to monitor vitals, such as pulse rate and SpO2, by placing the index finger on the phone's rear flashlight. The app claims to use the same principles of photoplethysmography or PPG, that allows detecting volumetric variations of blood circulation by using a light source. In this case, the app uses the phone's flashlight instead of infrared light in an oxymeter. Currently, the CarePlix Vitals app is available to download for free via Google Play and Apple App Store. The 2022 Tesla Roadster will have a SpaceX option that consists of 10 rocket thrusters. It will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.1 seconds. According to Elon Musk, the car will be able to fly very briefly. The acceleration will be safe, but those with heart conditions are warned that the experience will be similar to riding a hardcore roller coaster. The Pentagon has confirmed and released footage of a UFO disappearing into the sea. It is still investigating the incident. The findings from the investigation will be presented to Congress in June. Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity spacecraft completed its first successful space flight in 2 years on Saturday, carrying a crew to an altitude of more than 44,000 feet. The spacecraft took off from Virgin's VMS Eve carrier aircraft. It contained research payloads for NASA's Flight Opportunities program.